Hi guys and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make homemade pumpkin gnocchi. It's super easy, delicious and it's vegan. We only need 3 ingredients: flour, salt and pumpkin puree. You can find on my channel the recipe how to make homemade pumpkin puree from scratch, so I'm gonna link the video in the description box down below. So let's get started! Guys, that's it for today's video. The homemade pumpkin gnocchi are so easy to make it. I hope you like it. You can cook them right away or keep them in the freezer up to 2 months. I will share with you in another video how to cook this delicious pumpkin gnocchi, so make sure to come back and check it out. You can find the recipe in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Ciao!